Hello. You are welcome to Safubafu's TV. Today we are going to learn how to make the original, the authentic digestive biscuit, Safubafu's method. The ingredients that you may need are on your screen. You will need a whole wheat flour, all-purpose flour, baking powder, baking soda, powdered sugar, etc. First, pour your whole wheat flour into the bowl. Then add your all-purpose flour. Add your salt. Then add your baking powder. Baking soda. Then powdered sugar. If you don't have the powdered sugar type, then you can use any sugar available to you. After that, mix all the dry ingredients together. After then, add your butter. I'm going to use my hand, so I've got to wash my hands. Mix everything together. Then we are going to use milk and water. Pour some of the milk into a small bowl. Then add little water to it. This one, there is no measurement, so we are going to use our imagination measurement. Then add to it to form dough. After that, prepare in trebi kataso. And then cover it for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, then spread it and cut it with any tool available, any round tool available to you or in your kitchen. After that, use new toothpick to make that small holes that you see in digestive biscuit. After that, then put it on your tray. Before that, spread some little oil on the tray and then bake it at 150 degrees Celsius. Here it is. It is ready. Wow. Fantastic. Ashishimi. Ay. Thank you for watching Safubafu TV. If today is your first time, please subscribe, like, comment. I promise to bring you more.